Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection and to my Blu-ray update of the week. Today I'm going to show you Ice Age: Dawn of the Dinosaurs in 3D. This movie was supposed to be released August 30th, but Best Buy decided to release 3 weeks earlier, and you can find it for $30. Best Buy also released Narnia in 3D and Rio in 3D. It's not $39.99, it's actually just $30. But if you buy these two movies, for example, you get $10 off. If you buy these 3 movies, you get $15 off. But today, I'm just going to talk about Ice Age in 3D. Like I said before, it's $30. You can only find at Best Buy until the end of the month. After that, you can find it anywhere nationwide. It comes with a really nice slipcover, but there's nothing fancy. It's not embossed or anything. It's just really glossy, colorful. And here we have the Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray, DVD and digital copy. So let's open this one together. Let me show you the case and the discs here. It comes with a security here. So let's remove this. And here we have, let's remove here the code. This is the code for the digital copy. And here we have Blu-ray 3D, the regular Blu-ray in 2D. This is the DVD, and here is the digital copy. So now let me show you the special features up close. It comes with 10 different audio tracks, including English in 7.1, as well as French, Spanish, Portuguese, and much more. And don't forget, in order for you to watch in 3D, you must have a 3D high definition television, 3D glasses, either shutter or passive glasses, and a 3D Blu-ray player. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you next time.